Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am making this video for all parents out there who use a changing pad because I refuse to buy another one of these because it doesn't matter what you do. I feel like I tried everything, keeping the surface of this like lubricated. Like I tried to keep it clean. Like I don't know what it is, but they always seem to crack. And then once you get one little crack, your child just goes inside of crazy mode and just this right here is what you get. What I have right here, my son just went crazy and made it even worse. So I figured out a way to fix it, and I don't care about how it looks. I just want it safe for my child to lay on it and not get poked and scratched because of the ends of this is very sharp. So all you will need to have honestly is vinyl, and I am using heat and bond vinyl. Now, this is the problem, not problem, but this is what you have to remember, okay? When you're using vinyl on this material, you have to be very careful because anything hot will melt the heating pad top layer. You don't want to cause any more drama for your heating pad, okay? You don't want to do all that because then you're going to actually have to go buy another one if you set it on fire. So, it's more so of using heat and bond vinyl. I'm using a gloss vinyl that I bought from Joann in a humongous bundle, and I'm just using it up as much as I can, but this was the perfect solution to what I'm doing. I could have used heat and bond to put on the back of some kind of fabric if I wanted to make it a little more cute for my daughter who I'm using it for now, because previously it was for my son. But these options are endless, and you can do so much with the vinyl to cover up these cracks and holes or whatever. You can customize it, for a baby shower gift. It's so many ideas. Here are some tips to help you along with this DIY. If you don't have the money to go and buy this small iron that I have, you can use your regular iron or you can use a hair straightener. Because it is small in diameter and heat radiates in all areas, you can place the flat iron to its side or in the very tip and just apply it along the backing to apply the vinyl. Also, if you can't afford to buy the small iron, you can go ahead and use your regular iron, but you would have to use a bigger sheet, and you can't cut it down in small sections as I am just to hit the problem areas. You would have to put it along a bigger area that is not even affected. Another tip also is if you can't afford to buy the vinyl from Heat and Bond, you can use contact paper. I would think it would be appropriate because this is a smooth surface, it is durable, and contact paper is waterproof. Even the ones the Dollar Tree sells, you can cut it out into the sizes of the areas like I'm doing with the vinyl, or you can just put a big old section to make it into a cute little design. All totally your option. I would think the contact paper would be a great choice. Now, if your changing pad has cracked on the edges too, I'm not too sure how the contact paper would survive long term because it's bent, and I just don't really know. But you can always try it. It's just $1. If you can get as much as you can covered, that would be so much better for the baby and more comfortable. I know some may say this is so ugly, it's not pretty no more, and I'd rather just go buy another one. You totally can, but for people like myself who don't want to just go out and buy everything because something broke, I'd rather try to fix it to use it for my needs because I'm never going to use this again. So I don't want to buy something that's going to be used for a little bit of time when that money could have been spent somewhere else. I am so excited about the finished product. Like everything came out perfect. It's so much smoother. There is no cracks, no prickly edges like before. I am so happy I attempted this. I hope this DIY helped any mom or parent out there. Have a great day, everyone.